When you're building a course in Storyline 360, you often need to show text and images together. Sometimes, you need to show an image at a large scale, but there's not enough room on the slide. The simplest way to solve this problem is to use a thumbnail image as a link to open the large image on a pop-up layer. Storyline doesn't have a function for this, but you can set it up. First, create a new layer for the large image. Insert a rectangle that covers the base layer content. If you like, you can lower the opacity of the rectangle. Insert or drag your image into the new layer and size it appropriately. Insert a button to close this layer. You can use a Storyline icon, an image of your own, or any other object as the button. Create a trigger for the button that closes the layer. Click the base layer in the Slide Layers toolbar. Insert or drag your image into the base layer, then reduce its size to create a thumbnail image. Give it a border, if you like. Create a trigger that shows the large image layer when you click the thumbnail image. Be sure to add directional text so the user knows they can click the image for a larger view. Let's test it. It works. Clicking the thumbnail shows the large image, and clicking the X closes it.